wondering, what is something about what you do that you think more people need to learn about, and why? Why is it important?
I think what I'm most excited about what you're seeing here today and our work and this landscape of people and organizations that are working to make our forest more healthy is that without an economy surrounding the forest health treatments, it's really difficult for our communities to keep pace with the annual vegetation growth and to be more climate resilient. So that's kind of what we're trying to solve here, is creating a forest stewardship economy, one that can be self-regenerating and help promote the stewardship of our land, because that's what we need.
What do you think is like the hardest barrier to making this a more like widespread sort of achievable goal, or like this like forest health to products to like, you know, benefiting everyone? What's the biggest barrier there?
Yeah, I mean, I think the challenges that we're facing in Sonoma County are endemic everywhere. Like there's mill closures all the time because there was a very devastating historic past with the logging and timber industry that I think maybe people don't realize how much is actually needed to care for the forest, because we do live in the system that has a value for things, right? So we all purchase things made out of wood like every day, and we're using these items. And how wonderful would it be if it came from local sources, right? So the logging and lumber industry is on a global commodity scale, and we think that realizing a more circular wood economy for communities would be really powerful. And it's exactly what we need for our climate and for community economic development too, honestly. I mean, we need people that can have good paying jobs. We need products that are healthy for our homes and for the environment too. And we really need to realize all these different things, you know, and I feel like this really is a win for all of them.
So you would promote like a focus on like local scale, sort of like that connection between like environment and economy.
Exactly. I think our community scale thinking is what is the nuance here that's important. So the investment's smaller, the focus on community and economic development and public service to working landscapes is important. This should be as valuable as waste collection services. Like that, this should be a public service. This is like a library, you know. I mean, this is so essential to keeping our forests healthy, which in Sonoma County, if you're just looking at our county, 513,000 acres, 14,600 private forest landowners. You know, we have a lot of work to do, and it's going to take all of us to figure out the solutions. There's a lot of exciting things happening right now with climate, 30 by 30. A lot of money has come in to support things like this, you know, local, regional wood products. But we're still like, these tables, are you going to buy it at IKEA or are you going to buy it here? You know, and if you do want to buy it here, there's a cost associated with that. So how do we level the playing field a little bit and prioritize these kinds of local, regional economies?